Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Lightworks project import for editor-ready footage, complete guide step-by-step clearly. To authorize Lightworks project import for editor-ready footage, start by launching the Lightworks application on your device. Once the application is open, navigate to the project you wish to import footage into. Ensure that you have your footage files ready and accessible on your computer. Click on the Import option located in the Project Management menu. In the Import window, select the option to browse for your video files. Locate the folder where your footage is stored and select the files you want to import. Ensure the selected files are in a compatible format for Lightworks. After selecting the files, click on the Import button at the bottom of the window. As the files begin to import, pay attention to the progress bar indicating the processing status. Once the import is complete, verify that the footage appears in the project's media bin. Now, right-click on the imported footage and select Authorization. In the Authorization window, check the box to allow for editing and processing. Click the Authorize button to confirm your selections. Once authorized, your footage will be ready for editing within Lightworks. To ensure everything is set up correctly, play a few clips to check for any issues. If any problems arise during playback, double-check the format and compatibility of your footage. After confirming the footage is authorized and ready, proceed to edit your project as needed. Remember to save your project frequently to avoid losing any progress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.